Go ahead.
How much wheat has to be in the mixture to be considered bread? Let's say I have wheat flour. How much wheat flour do I have to add to my bread mixture in order for it to be considered bread that would qualify for challah, for example?
Okay, but what other ingredients you have there? Please tell me.
Wait, I couldn't hear you. What did you say?
So what other ingredients? I understand you have wheat, but what else?
So let's say yeast, wheat flour, cream of tartar, salt, baking soda.
No, but all of these things that you mentioned, they like the drops, like they measure in a spoon or something, right? It's like they irrelevant. So if you added this, or sometimes they add to bread to make it more puffy. What is it? Oats flour. I don't know, like they would add. I'm not sure how many, like maybe 25%, 20% to make it puffy. So it's still oats is also one of the 5 species of grain that the land of Israel is blessed with. So all of the Mizrachi, doesn't matter in what ratio they are mixed, it's still considered to be challah. So what is not considered to be bread, for example, if something like baked from a rice flour, right, or from a corn flour, completely from a corn flour, and maybe like a little, 5% of 10% of wheat flour. This not considered to be bread halachically, right? I mean, if you're going to buy it in the store, of course they're going to call it bread, right? They call it rice bread or something, right? But for us, halachically, it's not. Only these 5 species. So rye, but wheat is the most popular, the cheapest and the most popular one. So majority always in these breads, whatever you buy or even whatever you bake at home, majority is wheat and barley, and all others just additions. Okay, go ahead. Question.
So the quantity of the amount of flour that it doesn't absolutely matter at all?
I mean, it's as I said, it's in most of the cases it's majority. Yeah.